Imagine arriving at a place where every detail feels carefully designed for comfort, elegance, and unforgettable memories. Welcome to Barut Lara, one of the finest five-star all-inclusive resorts on Turkey's breathtaking Lara Beach. If you're dreaming of a luxurious, relaxing, and truly special vacation, stay with me. You're watching Ultimate Hotel Review, where we take you inside the world's best resorts so you can travel smarter. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with our latest hotel reviews. Barut Lara is located only about 10 kilometers from Antalya International Airport, meaning you can step off your plane and be sipping a cocktail by the pool in under 30 minutes. It opened in 2005 and has been meticulously renovated over the years to maintain its modern yet timeless style. As part of the prestigious Barut Hotels chain, this resort is known for offering impeccable service, excellent gastronomy, and a refined but relaxed atmosphere that appeals to families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Arriving at the hotel was a seamless experience. The staff greeted us warmly with refreshments and a smile, immediately making us feel welcome. The check-in process was efficient and professional. English and German are fluently spoken here, and every interaction felt genuine and attentive. After receiving our room keys and wristbands, we were handed a detailed resort map and information about the day's activities, restaurants, and entertainment options. It was clear from the start, Barut Lara takes hospitality seriously. Our room was spacious, filled with natural light, and tastefully decorated in soft, neutral tones. We stayed in a deluxe room with a stunning garden view, offering a peaceful green backdrop. The room featured a king-sized bed, a cozy seating area, a work desk, a fully stocked minibar replenished daily, and a spacious balcony with a table and chairs. The bathroom included a luxurious rain shower, a separate bathtub, premium toiletries, robes, and slippers. Soundproofing was excellent, and the air conditioning kept the room refreshingly cool even during hot afternoons. Housekeeping was consistent and thorough, maintaining a spotless environment. The resort itself feels like a botanical garden. The lush, meticulously maintained grounds feature a variety of tropical plants, colorful flowers, and tranquil water features like fountains and ponds. Walking paths wind their way through the gardens, connecting the main building with the beach, pools, restaurants, and sports facilities. Every corner of the property is beautifully landscaped and invites you to slow down and enjoy the surroundings. Speaking of pools, Barut Lara offers several options. There's a massive main pool perfect for swimming and lounging, a quieter adults-only pool for relaxation, a heated pool for cooler days, and a fun splash area for children. Sunbeds are plentiful and well-spaced, so finding a private spot was never a problem. Pool bars are conveniently located nearby, offering refreshing drinks, ice creams, and light snacks throughout the day. Families traveling with children will be thrilled with what Barut Lara offers. The resort has a wonderful kids club divided into different age groups, each with a tailored daily program that includes creative workshops, mini Olympics, treasure hunts, movie sessions, and baking classes. There's a dedicated children's pool with slides, a large shaded playground, and even a mini cinema. High chairs, cribs, and strollers are available on request, and babysitting services can be arranged for a fee. The atmosphere is family-friendly without being overwhelming, striking the perfect balance for both children and adults. The beach is another major highlight. Barut Lara's private stretch of Lara Beach is wide, sandy, and perfectly maintained. Comfortable sunbeds and umbrellas are plentiful and free for all guests. Lifeguards are present during swimming hours, ensuring safety. The entry into the sea is smooth and gradual, ideal for families with young children. A long wooden pier extends into the sea, offering additional sunbathing spots and stunning views of the sunset. Water sports enthusiasts can book activities like parasailing, jet skiing, or banana boat rides right at the beach. Dining at Barut Lara is nothing short of exceptional. The main buffet restaurant offers a wide selection of dishes at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Fresh seafood, grilled meats, vegetarian options, colorful salads, and an endless dessert buffet. It's all there. Each evening, a different theme ensures variety and excitement, from Turkish specialties to international favorites. The a la carte restaurants take the dining experience to the next level. You can enjoy exquisite Italian cuisine, delicious Asian flavors, authentic Turkish dishes, or fresh seafood, all with top-level service and romantic settings. Advance reservations are needed but easy to arrange. Throughout the day, various snack bars, patisseries, and cafes offer freshly baked goods, pizzas, doner kebabs, and homemade ice creams. Beverage options include premium international and local alcoholic drinks, freshly squeezed juices, a variety of cocktails, and professional barista-made coffees. Barut Lara places a strong emphasis on quality. Every meal and drink felt crafted with care, not mass-produced like at some other all-inclusive resorts. The entertainment program at Barut Lara is diverse and classy. During the day, you can join activities like Pilates, yoga, tennis, archery, and dance classes. For those seeking relaxation, there are wellness workshops and spa treatments. In the evening, professional shows light up the open-air theater, live music concerts, dance performances, acrobatics, and themed parties. If you prefer a more relaxed vibe, the piano bar offers live jazz and classical music performances in an intimate setting. There's also a disco on site for guests who want to dance the night away. Guest reviews on major platforms are overwhelmingly positive. On Booking.com, Barut Lara boasts a superb rating of 9.1 out of 10. Google reviews are equally impressive, with an average of 4.7 stars. Guests consistently praise the exceptional food, the friendly and professional service, the beautiful layout of the grounds, and the relaxing atmosphere. On TripAdvisor, it's listed among the best hotels in Antalya and the entire Turkish Riviera. Some minor critiques mention the resort can be busy during peak seasons, but overall, satisfaction is extremely high. Would I recommend Barut Lara Resort? Absolutely, and without hesitation. It's a rare find, a place where luxury feels effortless, where relaxation and fun coexist beautifully, and where attention to detail is woven into every experience. Whether you're planning a romantic escape, a family holiday, or a getaway with friends, Barut Lara will exceed your expectations. From the sophisticated dining to the pristine beach, from the lush gardens to the warm, welcoming staff, everything here is designed to create a perfect vacation. My final rating, an outstanding 9.5 out of 10. Thank you for watching Ultimate Hotel Review. If you enjoyed this full review of Barut Lara, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment sharing your experience or questions about this fantastic resort. Until next time, stay curious, travel often, and enjoy every moment.